Hey there, all you coffee-loving, health-conscious gentlemen out there. Today, we're serving up a steaming cup of knowledge on the incredible benefits of the coffee, lemon, and honey mixture for men. If you've ever wondered how this simple concoction can supercharge your mornings, boost your vitality, and keep you feeling like $1,000,000, then you're in for a treat. So without further ado, let's pour ourselves into the benefits of coffee, lemon, and honey for men. Number 8. Energy boost. The energy-boosting properties of coffee in this mixture can be particularly beneficial for men with busy lifestyles or those engaged in physically demanding activities. Caffeine, found in coffee, acts as a central nervous system stimulant, temporarily increasing alertness and reducing the perception of fatigue. This can be especially useful in situations where men need to enhance focus and concentration, whether it's at work, during workouts, or while driving long distances. However, it's essential to consume coffee in moderation to avoid potential side effects like restlessness or disrupted sleep patterns, as excessive caffeine intake can have adverse consequences on overall well-being. Number 7. Digestive Aid. The digestive benefits of the coffee, lemon, and honey mixture can be particularly soothing and helpful for men experiencing digestive discomfort. Lemon juice, with its natural acidity, can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and facilitating smoother digestion. Honey, on the other hand, offers its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce irritation. This combination can be especially beneficial after a heavy meal or if men are prone to indigestion or heartburn. It's worth noting that while this mixture may provide relief for occasional digestive discomfort, maintaining a well-balanced diet and practicing healthy eating habits should be the foundation for good digestive health in the long run. Number 6. Immune support. The immune-supporting qualities of the coffee, lemon, and honey mixture are vital for men's overall well-being. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in immune function by promoting the production of white blood cells and strengthening the body's defenses against infections. Honey has natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which can help combat harmful pathogens. Number 5. Weight management. Weight management can be a significant concern for many men, and the coffee, lemon, and honey mixture may offer some support in this regard. Coffee contains caffeine, which is known to temporarily boost metabolism and increase the rate at which the body burns calories. While the effect is usually modest and short-lived, it can be a helpful addition to a well-rounded weight management plan that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Moreover, the antioxidants found in this mixture can potentially assist in weight management by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are factors linked to obesity and weight gain. Number 4. Skin health. The coffee, lemon, and honey mixture can also offer potential benefits for men's skin health. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, a protein that helps maintain skin's elasticity and youthful appearance. Additionally, the antioxidants in coffee and honey can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, environmental factors, and UV radiation, which can contribute to premature aging and skin issues. Honey's natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties may aid in keeping the skin clean and hydrated. While this mixture may contribute to healthier skin, it's important to remember that skincare is a holistic process that involves factors like hydration, sun protection, and a balanced diet. Incorporating this mixture into a skincare routine may complement these efforts and promote overall skin health for men. Number 3. Sore throat relief. The coffee, lemon, and honey mixture can provide relief for sore throats, making it a valuable option for men during times of discomfort. Lemon's high vitamin C content can help soothe throat irritation and reduce inflammation, while honey's natural antibacterial and soothing properties may provide relief from pain and scratchiness. Additionally, the warmth of the coffee can help relax the throat muscles and ease discomfort. When consumed warm, this mixture can be especially soothing and comforting, making it a go-to remedy for men experiencing sore throats due to colds, allergies, or other minor illnesses. Number 2. Reproductive System. The combination of coffee, lemon, and honey can indirectly benefit men's reproductive health by providing antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, potentially supporting sperm health. Additionally, the energy boost from caffeine in coffee may enhance libido and sexual stamina, while the immune-boosting properties of lemon and honey can help the body fend off infections that may impact reproductive well-being. Moreover, the stress-reducing and digestive benefits of this mixture can contribute to overall health, which is essential for reproductive function. Lastly, staying adequately hydrated with lemon and honey-infused water is crucial for reproductive health. Number 1. Testosterone Levels. The coffee, lemon, and honey mixture may offer indirect benefits for men's testosterone levels through antioxidant protection, improved energy and mood, better sleep quality, weight management support, and immune system enhancement. The antioxidants in this mixture can help reduce oxidative stress, potentially supporting healthy testicular function. Coffee's caffeine content may boost energy and mood while reducing stress levels, indirectly benefiting testosterone production. Adequate sleep, promoted by coffee consumption in moderation, supports overall health and hormonal balance. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight, aided by coffee's metabolism-boosting properties, can positively influence testosterone levels. Finally, lemon and honey's immune-boosting properties contribute to overall health, indirectly impacting hormone regulation. And there you have it, folks, the amazing world of the coffee, lemon, and honey mixture and its incredible benefits for men. If you found this video as stimulating as your morning espresso, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your coffee-loving friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting content. We hope you're now armed with the knowledge to make your mornings even more energized and invigorating. So go ahead, whip up that magic elixir, and seize the day with newfound vigor. Thanks for joining us on this caffeinated journey, and until next time, stay buzzing.